showtime.
McQueen passes another. You know, he always runs well at this track.
Okay, I see it.
Ladies and gentle cars, please give a hug out to one of today's race sponsors, Hostile Takeover Bank. Come in for all of your finance needs. Lateral requirement. That's Hostile Takeover Bank, proud sponsor of number 86 car, Chick Hit. McQueen is driving like the field is standing still. A couple of the cars out there are tight. You can see them fighting to make the turn. There's just no stopping 95 today. McQueen is looking to make a move real quick here. McQueen takes the lead, and the crowd is going wild. McQueen is looking to make a move real quick here.
Thanks, folks. I'll be here all week.
Well, they say lightning never strikes twice, but those cars out there will tell you different. McQueen's definitely in the zone. Just look at his determination. McQueen is falling off the pace. Lightning McQueen moving up front. Nothing feels better than leading the pack. McQueen passes another. You know, he always runs well at this track. There's just no stopping 95 today. Well, they say lightning never strikes twice, but those cars out there will tell you different. There's just no stopping 95 today. Is there any stopping Lightning McQueen? Ciao! picking them off one at a time. Here comes Lightning McQueen. Just look at him moving aside. Is there any stopping Lightning McQueen? Wow, will you look at him moving aside for him? You'd almost think they're saying please and thank you. McQueen passes another. You know he always runs well at this track. There's just no stopping 95 today. There seems to be a pack of fans in the upper deck of Section 27 rooting for their favorite racer, Lightning McQueen.